Hola everyone, my name is Randy. We're doing a video here with my son Tommy that we've been waiting to do for many months. And that's the fact that we are announcing a Fortaleza Tequila Dinner here at Solare again. As you know, it's been a little challenging getting Fortaleza, but we were just able to gather up enough bottles that we can finally do another wonderful dinner like we used to do in the past. We're very excited about it. We're going to be doing it on Tuesday, October 10. That's this Tuesday. I know it's a little bit short notice, but when Tommy and I looked at the schedule, that was the only window of time that we had. But the good news is we have the Fortaleza. So we're going to be pouring the Blanco, Reposado, Anejo, and because we're so excited, we're actually opening up a couple of bottles of the Winter Blend. Very difficult to get, only comes out one time a year. You're gonna absolutely love it. We pair it with a 3-course tasting menu that Executive Chef Denise Grande has created. The short story is our food tastes better with the tequila, and the tequila tastes better with the exact dishes that we are creating. So it's gonna be this Tuesday. It's gonna be at 6:30 here at Solare. The price for the food portion is $58. The price for all 4 tequilas is $34, which is a great deal. That adds up to about $8 a pour. You're not going to find that anywhere in the state of California. So please give us a call, send me a note. We're going to be doing this great dinner on Tuesday. Finally, the Fortaleza Tequila will be pouring here at Solare with a great dinner where I entertain you with all sorts of interesting facts about Jalisco and tequila. Hope to see you soon.